What's up, Industrial Automation World? I'm Mike. We're here with Steve Jerome from DataSensing. We're pretty excited he's here today. He's going to tell us about the DataLogic Area Sensor, or is it scanner?
Safety laser scanner.
Safety laser scanner. All right, he's going to tell you, give you the features and benefits of this scanner and why it's something you really should consider when you're considering safety in your applications or your facility. All right, Steve, take it away.
Thanks, Mike. Today we're talking about the DataSensing Safety Laser Scanner. This is to protect people from machinery over a large area, where something like a light curtain will go ahead and create a wall and keep somebody from reaching into a machine. The safety laser scanner can go ahead and protect a large area. Range on these are up to 5 meters, so roughly a 15-foot area. We offer a scan. We can do a sweep of 275 degrees. Most of our competition stops either at 270 degrees or 180 degrees. So we can actually round a corner with this type of product. It is designed, we have multiple units. We've got a basic unit and an advanced unit. The advanced unit is capable of having multiple units plug into it. So I've got one master and I can have up to 3 slave units with it. So I can bring 4 units total in on a single connection back to your controller. We have multiple zones that you can set up in a safety laser scanner. Right now I've got this unit set up in 2 zones, a zone from the middle here to the left and a zone from here to the right, and I've got set up a warning track and a stop track. The warning track is out here. As you can see now, the sign goes to warning, and you can actually see some LEDs where my hand happens to be. What that does is that can give you an alarm or a light, a horn, something to tell your operator you're getting close to the hazard. If you continue to get too close for it, you will go into a stop mode and you will actually shut the machine down. So we've got stop, and then we've got the warning track as well. Now if I go ahead and with the simple switch of an input, I now am no longer active on my left side, I am now active on my right side. So again, a warning track as I come here and approach it. As I continue to get closer, I will go ahead and stop the machine. Why do I need multiple zones? Let's say I've got a machine where I'm loading something on one side while something is being done on the other side. I've got a robot over here doing welding and I need to load parts over here. Once I've got the parts loaded and the robot's done over here, we then need to make this side the active side because the robot's over here, and if somebody enters over here, we want to shut the machine down, but over here we're unloading the parts that the robot just welded. That's why you need multiple zones. Another advantage you have with a safety laser scanner is we can go ahead and set this up to ignore permanent objects that are in the area of we're scanning. For example, if we've got a column on a building or a machine that's in the area, that we can go ahead and ignore that machine. But if somebody steps in front of that machine or in front of that column, we can go ahead and sense that person there and shut the machine down or warn them, telling them to move back. If you do have something where somebody can get behind, for example, a column of building, while I might have this one catching a column that's out here, I'm going to have another one behind that column. While I can see somebody in front of the column, I can't see them behind the column, so I would have to have a second laser scanner on the other side of that column or the other side of a machine. If that's still in a dangerous area, we need to have a second laser scanner to be able to pick up that person, which is why we have the cascading capabilities where I can go ahead and daisy chain these up to 4 units deep. Great product. We also do now offer this product for the people in the tire industry. We have a conformal coating for sulfur fumes. Sulfur tends to eat the electronics on the boards and cause problems. With the conformal coating, we can put this product in the tire industry and it will survive the sulfur fumes.
Steve, thanks for coming up to Scott Equipment Company today and give us a great explanation of the safety laser scanner, how it works, and how easy it is to program, and if you need it to do multiple things, how easy it is to program it to just change zones pretty quickly, right?
That's
so
right.
If you need multiple functionality out of your scanner, this is the product for you. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Scott Equipment Company account manager. They'll work with Steve if they need to make sure you know how to set this thing up. Thanks for taking a little bit of time today to watch today's video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great industrial automation videos. Thanks, Steve.
Thanks, Mike.
Appreciate it.